Sigrif agus fáilteachtaí an céad fúnada is 0 to hero in a euro. So this week we're going to learn a really gorgeous tune. It's a jig called the Killavil, and there's a couple of really great recordings of this tune. There's one by Matt Malloy, accompanied by Paul Brady, that's really driving, and there's another version of it by John Carty, and it's got loads of really cool variations. But the one that really floats my boat is one by June McCormick. She has a deceptively simple version of it, but if you listen to it, it's really nuanced and subtle. It's gorgeous. So I took inspiration from her, added a few little bits of my own, and that's the version you're going to learn now. Can you laugh? And up. So for the Killavil, for the first part, you just need 3 ornaments. The first is a B pip. So to review that, just click here. The second is an F pip. So to review that, just click here. And finally, you're going to need an E pipped with an A going to a D. And if you want to learn how to do that, you might want to click here. Okay, so once you've got them under your belt, let's go ahead and learn the tune. So here's phrase 1 of the Killavil. Okay, now the first section is okay, now that's B, E, E, B, E, E, and the articulation is B, tongue, slur, tongue, tongue. Okay, so try that with me now, okay? Hang, do. Okay, mahu. Now, we're going to enlarge that a little. We're going to put a note before it, okay? You're going to lead into it with an A. So try going. Now, you're going to go slur, tongue, tongue. Now, try that with me. Ready, go. Okay, mahu. Now we're going to try enlarging it still further. We're going to put a note at the end, right? And it's going to be a B. Okay, so you're going to go. Okay, and the articulation pattern is slur, tongue, slur. Right? So let's try that. 1, 2. Fair play to you. Okay, now we're going to try section 2. So section 2 is okay, and it goes D, F, E, D. And now you're going to try the articulation. Tongue, slur, tongue. So it sounds like this. Now try that with me. Ready, go. Mahu. Okay, now we're going to try putting those all together. Okay, hang, do. Intak. This is Fhábhail though. So the first section is, so it's nice and easy. What you do is just beep, pip, a, and the articulation is slur, tongue. Okay, so listen. Now you try that. Ready, go. Mahu. Now the next section is, okay, so you're going to go F, pip with the G, E, F, D. Now the articulation is slur, tongue, slur, breath. Okay, so listen to this. Try that with me now. Hein, do. Mahu. Okay, now section 3. And it's A, high D, B, A. And it goes slur, tongue, slur. Okay, now when you say slur, it's because it's going to slur into the note after that, which is the first note of phrase 3. Oh, we won't quite go that far ahead yet. So, all you have to know is it sounds like this. So try that with me now. Hein, do. Now, how about we string for section 1, 2, and 3 together? Sounds like this. Hein, do. Íntac. Ein, do. So the great news is Frosa tree is absolutely identical to Frosa hin. So let's try that together right now. Hein, do. Íntac ar fad. Hein, do. Mahu. So now we're going to try Frosa car. It sounds like this. Okay, so section 1 sounds like this. Okay, now it goes slur, tongue, 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 tongue. B, pip, A, F, D, A. Try that with me. Ein, do. Mahu. Okay, now we're going to try section 2. Alright, sounds like this. F, pip, E, D. Slur. Listen one more time. And now try that with me. Ein, do. Íntac. Okay, now we're going to try section 3. Sounds like this. Right, so it's lovely and easy. Just go E, F, G, A, and it's slur. So try that with me now. Well, actually, listen first. Now you try it with me. Ein, do. Íntac. So now let's try putting section 1, 2, 3 together. Sounds like this. Ein, do. Hor, bor, íntac ar fad. The second time through the Killavil, you're going to need to take a breath. So let's sort that out right now, okay? So normally in phrase 1 you'd go, etc, etc. The second time through, we're going to do something different. Listen to this. Right? So that's A, B, E, E, B, breath, A, B. Now, how about you try it with me? The articulation pattern is identical to before, you just have to plop a breath there in the middle. Slur, tongue, slur, breath, slur. So try that with me. Hein, do. Mahu. Okay, now how about we try the whole phrase 1 second time through with the breath in. 1, 2. Excellent. Mahu. So the second time through that you do the Killavil, you're going to need to breathe, and I've taught you the trick. So you're going to insert a breath in phrase 1. If you need to, you can repeat that trick and take a breath in phrase 3. And then there's only one tiny difference that we're going to do in phrase 4. So you're going to do just like before in phrase 4, but then you're going to finish it with. So if you've reviewed your ornaments, you'll know what this is. It's E, pipped with an A, running to a D quite quickly. Okay, so how about we try that now? Now, how about we try stitching it to the end of phrase 4? So, 1, 2. Intak. Intak. Mahu. Hein, do. So now let's try the Killavil 40 beats per minute. Hein, do. Hein, do.